Now he is, let's see, I think he is 14, maybe 13, and he's a barncat. He's a goofy cat. He's fixed, but he's cut proud, and he still humps. He's a little pervert. Her, on the other hand, she was supposed to be a Siamese. Yeah, right. All she does is eat. Her nickname is Piggy Moo because she's got a nutter. That's how fat she is. Now this one, he's funny because of what he does. Now watch this. Now come here, pup. Nummy, nummy, nummy. He loves this stuff. The pounce. Oh God, he loves that. Now if I can get him to do a trick. Here you go, pup. Here you go. Oh, right there. And he's eating his pounce. Give him a second. I better give Moo one. She won't come when you call, but he does. There you go, pig. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. She's basically done. She's like, where's another one? Okay. Puppy. Okay. Show him. Now show him what you can do, Spot. Roll over. Roll over. No, come on. Roll over. Roll over. Spot. Roll over. Do it, pup. Roll over. Come on. Roll over. Roll over. Come on. Come on. Roll over. Roll over, dummy. Yeah, you're on film, so you're not going to do it, are you? Spot. Roll over. Roll over and I'll give you another nummy. Do it. Do it. He may do it. Hang on. Get. Fat, ugly cat. Now do it. Do it, Spot. Spot. Go ahead. Do it. Just once, please. Come on. He's too old and tired. I'll beat your butt. Dumb cat. Now, roll over. There he goes. Do it again. Do it again. Good puppy. Do it again. Good puppy. Do it again. Good puppy. One more. Good pup. That's a good puppy. Now, you see how my cat is? He's a good pup. Do it again. Do it again, Spot. Do it again. Come on. Now, show's over.